Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cream cheese fruit cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you want that softened to room temperature. 4 eggs, also at room temperature. 2 cups of flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 sticks of butter, also softened to room temperature. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to need 3 cups of dried fruits, plus a half a cup of flour to toss those in. The only ones that I could find were the dried apricots and dried cranberries that weren't manufactured in a plant with peanuts. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 325 and spray a loaf pan generously with cooking spray. Alright, next in a large bowl we are going to cream together our butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's combined. Alright, now we are going to add in the cream cheese and mix it to combine. Alright, that looks great. So next we are going to add in the eggs one at a time and mix them in between each addition. Okay, all of my eggs are mixed in, so next we are just going to add in the vanilla extract and just mix it to combine. Okay, that looks great. So now in a separate bowl, we are going to mix our flour, baking powder, and salt, and just mix that with a whisk until it's combined. Alright, that is all mixed together, and then I prepared my fruit mix here. I just have a half cup of flour here, and then I have my cranberries and apricots, and I did cut my apricots up into smaller pieces, but the cranberries were probably fine the way they are. So it just depends if you have bigger fruit, you might want to cut that up, and then just mix it all together, and that is just so all of the fruit doesn't fall to the bottom of the cake. That is why you want to mix that in there with some flour. So now we are ready to get this assembled. We are going to add our dry ingredients into our wet a little at a time. Alright, my mixture is combined. I did that with an electric mixer as much as I could, and then I just used a spatula at the end. So now we are going to fold in our flour-covered fruit pieces. Okay, all of my fruit is mixed in, and it is thick, let me tell you. So now we are going to go ahead and pour this into our 9x5 loaf pan. And you might, if you want, you can line the bottom with parchment paper. Alright, all of my batter is in my loaf pan, and I smoothed it out with my spatula as best I could. So this is ready to go into the oven for 60 to 70 minutes. You just want to keep an eye on it. If the middle isn't cooked but the top's starting to brown, you can put some aluminum foil on top. Okay, my fruit cake is out of the oven, and I have let it cool here for 10 minutes in the pan. So now I am going to transfer that to a cooling rack to cool completely. Alright, my fruitcake is now on my cooling rack, so we are going to cut into this and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I cut this piece for Taste Tester, so we are going to see what he thinks. You can see all that yummy fruit in there. Yum. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, nothing wrong. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Merry Christmas!